Describe the birthday you went to yesterday. Birthday party. Yeah.
So my name is Sarah Patel,
Hmm.
and I go to yesterday. I have gone.
I went to
I went to my
the
cousin
birthday party of
my birthday party of my cousin, and I meet my
I met my
I met my relatives
relatives,
and cut the cake and we celebrate the
celebrated.
we celebrated the birthday, and then we play some games in phone with connect server in games, and we connect in one server and play Minecraft,
Okay.
and then we eat food and
We ate
we
food.
ate food and come
We came back.
we came back
What time did you come back?
at 10.
At 10 o'clock you came back. Very good. So, what is free game? What is mind?
Free game.
Mind free. Okay.
Mind free game is my mind free game. In in every game you have to play and complete the task, then only you can complete the game. But Roblox, you can play in many types of game, like granny house, like insane lift, where you will enter in one lift, and in lift ghost will appear in minute, and he will kill you by the time the lights has gone.
So you have to protect yourself from
Yes
that
sir, you have
ghost.
to buy some protections, and you will see the ghost eyes, you have to beat him, and then ghost will kill it, he will gone, and in next floor again new ghost will come, and
So it's an interesting game, you think? Very good. So how long does it take to complete this game?
no sir, it has unlimited level.
Okay.
Those
It has unlimited levels of
yes
this
sir.
game. Okay.
uh,
Okay.